4, and we are going to sew 4 units of peach and green small squares together. And we are going to iron this towards our green square. You want to iron them all the same direction so that you can marry them when you're finished. So we have a peach and green, and we have another peach and green, and we are now going to sew these together to make a 4-patch unit. Set our seam, and then we are going to make a pinwheel with this block right here, and we're going to snip that stitch right there so that this will lay nice and flat. And then when you turn it, you will have a really nice 4-patch. We are going to make 2 of these 4 patches. Then we're going to take our 4-patch and we are going to sew it to a large orange square. And we're going to iron this towards our large square. And we need to make 2 of these. So when I do this, I want to make sure, I usually lay one out like that. I want to make sure that the greens match like this and that I don't accidentally put this one like that. So I'm going to lay this like this, and we're going to have our second square so that I make sure that I do it correctly. So one more of these. I love having my little ironing mat right here next to my sewing machine so that I don't have to jump up every time I want to iron a seam. Okay, so these are going to go like this, and now we are going to sew these together and we will have our completed block. Just check on my middle piece here. And we are going to make one more fun pinwheel on the back side of this block. My stitches are really small on this, and that's why I'm not able to do this without snipping this little stitch right there. There we go. Like that. And when we turn it, voila, 2 4-patches and 2 big squares. And then of course I will be getting out my starch and spraying these so that they are really nice and pretty. Oops. Block number 4.